PAX Gold could drop 2.1% tomorrow, based on digital coin price forecast. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Today, PAX Gold has gone down 0.4% and is now sitting around $4,750.10. Let's move into the projection roundup. The price could reach $4,783.26 by April 23 per Gulf Capital Collector, marking a rise of 0.7%. CoinCodex expects PAX Gold to retreat to $4,733.57, a projected drop of about 0.3%. According to Traders Union, it could weaken toward $4,719.81, a downward move of 0.6%. Another estimate from Digital Coin Price shows PAX Gold may retreat toward $4,649.62, a drop close to 2.1%. To finish 30 rates expects a move down to $4,629 by April 23, 2.5% lower than current price. This is the most profitable call among all. 5 predictions down. Let's keep going. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. According to the data, the price swing could be from a drop of 2.5% to an increase of 0.7%. When everything is tallied, 30 rates has the top return with 2.5% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could earn between $3 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, CoinCodex's forecast is the most probable, showing a 70.1% likelihood of being correct. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. The consensus calculation indicates PAX Gold trading near $4,703.05. Now let's dive into it. Consensus perspective suggests a 1% loss under current conditions. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 1%. With 1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $10. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 62.2%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. Gulf Capital Collector notes that short-term changes will be negligible. According to CoinCodex, the market outlook is neutral and similarly suggests minimal changes in the near term. Minimal volatility is meanwhile projected by Traders Union. The short-term picture, likewise noted by Digital Coin Price, shows stability. 30 rates highlights a bearish short-term picture. The consensus signals calm market conditions, with PAX Gold showing a neutral outlook. So, most analysts highlight a bearish direction for PAX Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today, we look at them against the outcome. In the end, the last candle closed at $4,725.40. In the end, just 2 predictions had the direction right. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from CoinCodex. Time to sort through the results more carefully. 3 forecasts stayed within the candle's range. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with CoinCodex performing best overall. Here's the detailed fact check. A side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for 30 rates was 44.7%, with $175.60 accuracy and minus 1.1% ROI. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with PAX Gold. The leader today is Bitcoin Cash, showing a forecasted 3.9% return. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and the wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. Subscribe now so the next major move doesn't slip past you. Talk to you soon.